What's up, FitFormula family? It's your boy Reza, back with another video to help you crush your fitness goals. Today, we're diving deep into the science of muscle growth hypertrophy. If you're ready to pack on size and strength, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the essential elements you need to know, from understanding the science behind hypertrophy to practical tips you can apply right away. No more confusion, no more plateaus, just pure, actionable knowledge to transform your physique. Get ready to level up your training, optimize your nutrition, and unlock your muscle-building potential. Let's get after it. Alright, let's break it down. What exactly is hypertrophy? Simply put, it's the process of building muscle. When you challenge your muscles with resistance training, you create tiny tears in the muscle fibers. Don't let that scare you, it's a good thing. Your body responds by repairing those tears, making the muscle fibers bigger and stronger than before. That's how you build those gains you're after. Now here's the key to unlocking consistent muscle growth: progressive overload. Think of it like this. If you keep lifting the same weights for the same reps, your body adapts and your gains will plateau. To keep those muscles growing, you need to constantly challenge them by gradually increasing the weight you lift, the number of reps you perform, or the number of sets you complete. Keep your body guessing, and watch those gains skyrocket. You've heard it before, and for a good reason. The mind-muscle connection is crucial for maximizing hypertrophy. It's not just about moving weight, it's about feeling the target muscle work throughout the entire exercise. Focus your mind on the muscle you're training. Visualize it contracting and expanding. This heightened connection allows for better muscle activation, leading to more significant muscle growth. So, when it comes to building muscle, not all rep ranges are created equal. For optimal hypertrophy, you really want to aim for that sweet spot in the 6 to 12 rep range. Why is that? Well, this range creates the perfect storm for muscle growth, maximizing both mechanical tension and metabolic stress. The key is to find a weight that lets you hit muscle failure. That point where you just can't do another rep with good form within that rep range. And hey, remember, it's always quality over quantity. You know, you can train like a beast, but if your nutrition isn't on point, you'll definitely be shortchanging your results. To really support muscle growth, you need to eat enough protein, so aim for around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Also, make sure you're in a slight calorie surplus, which just means you're consuming a bit more calories than you burn. This gives your body the extra fuel it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Hey, don't underestimate the power of rest. When you're resting, your body is actually hard at work repairing those muscle fibers and building new, stronger ones. You should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. And, listen to your body and take rest days whenever you need them. Just remember, recovery is honestly just as crucial as your workouts when it comes to maximizing muscle growth. Okay, let's put it all together with a sample workout structure you can start implementing today. So, choose a muscle group to focus on each day and pick 3 to 4 exercises per muscle group. Perform 3 to 4 sets of each exercise, sticking to that 6 to 12 rep range we talked about earlier. And remember to prioritize progressive overload, plus always focus on proper form. There you have it. FitFormula family. The keys to unlocking your muscle-building potential. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to your training, dial in your nutrition, prioritize rest, and just watch your physique transform. Now get out there, crush your workouts, and show the world what you're made of. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out. Subscribe for weekly fitness tips.